Hi guys, today is juice challenge day. So I have a guest here, a friend of ours visiting, and I am challenging him to a juice. He's gonna pick his ingredients, I'm gonna pick my ingredients, and then we're gonna see whose juice tastes better. So let me introduce you to our friend, Jonathan. Hey, Jonathan.
Hi.
I told him we're gonna have a juice challenge today, but
I was not expecting to come here to do a juice challenge, and I am not the kind of person who does challenges, but I am the kind of person who does juice. Yes. So I think I have a pretty good chance of kicking your butt at the juice challenge.
Oh, we're gonna see. So you're gonna pick your ingredients.
Okay.
I'm gonna pick my ingredients.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go to war.
Oof, a war it is.
Yes,
all right.
it is. All right, let's see what you're gonna pick today, Jonathan.
All right, so these are my choices?
Yeah.
All right, I am going to pick, I've got some lime, I've got some apple.
Yes.
You know what? It's gonna be green.
It's gonna be green. He's going
smoothie.
green.
I'm gonna do some honeydew, some celery. Is this?
Cucumber.
Some cucumber and some spinach.
He is going green and ginger.
And some ginger.
Ooh, I see ginger.
You know
here.
me.
Oh, man.
You know that I'm doing ginger.
All right, this is awesome. He's doing the green juice, which is exceptional. I mean, it's got everything for healing your gut, anti-inflammatory, antioxidants.
And it's my favorite color.
And green is your favorite color?
It is.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so I'm gonna have to get creative because I don't like losing. I do not like losing. All right, let's get started. So I'm gonna have you start putting ingredients into the juicer.
All right, are you gonna tell me how to use your juicer?
Maybe, because I want him to lose. Let's put a handful of spinach in here.
All right.
Yep. Perfect. All right. Cool.
Actually, no.
Yeah,
there's a lot of room. There's a lot of room
in there. You know, it's
there.
funny. Apple is the one fruit that helps regulate your blood sugar, and people don't know that.
Really?
It does.
I didn't know that. I'm one of the people who didn't know that.
And that's why I always tell everyone, you could do any green juice, any vegetable. Add an apple to it.
Just add apple.
It's amazing.
All right.
And it does prevent cancer, and it's just it's got so many benefits. So it's crazy. The other thing too is that like watermelon, pineapple, honeydew, the skin has a ton of minerals and vitamins that are essential to our immune system, to everything.
All right.
So I never cut the skin off.
All right.
And now we got celery to go.
Add my ginger powder.
Yes.
All right. All right.
And then now
what do we do?
close this up.
Okay, there's a hole at the top. Should
Yeah.
cover that?
Nope, that's perfect.
All right.
And then lock it, and then boom,
Just on?
to the right, and it's juicing away.
All right.
So this is his juice recipe.
It's gonna win. What it is a winning recipe. Because green means go, and we're going all the way.
All right, now my juice recipe is gonna be different. I'm gonna go with carrots, orange, sweet potato, and a lemon, because I'm gonna win. So, all right, first thing I'm gonna do is add some sweet potato, and you peel the sweet potato. Voila. Ta-da! I'm gonna add a little secret, but don't say anything.
Wait, what?
Oh, all right, here we go. We have fully completed our presentations. This is mine, and
This is mine.
and we have my husband, Joel, who's gonna be the tester.
This does not seem unbiased.
So we're actually gonna blindfold him, so this could be really like to the T accurate. There's nothing, no favoritism. So we're gonna blindfold you. We're gonna pour it in here, and then you get to pick which is your favorite one.
Okay.
Here we go.
I will
All right.
be as honest as I can.
Dun 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 dun. Here we're going to. All right, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, here we go.
That's good. I like this one.
rid of
fresh
it, get rid
juice.
of it, get rid of it. Okay.
All right, second one. Here we go. They're both really good.
All right. You got to pick one. First or second?
Or second or first.
Or second or first?
Man, I'll tell you, it's really close. They both have a totally different complexion of flavors. I would say. I like the lime that's in this one. So I'm gonna go with this. The
Oh no! He won! No!
Wow.
All right.
Well,
Well,
they're both really good.
You know what?
can't
Good
go
game.
wrong.
yeah, yes, you won. And honestly,
you.
these two juices are exceptional for your health. They're all gonna do an incredible function for gut healing, mental clarity. I mean, your overall immune system. This is health. This is actually something that I encourage everyone to do on a daily basis. So, hope you guys enjoyed this juice challenge. I hope you enjoyed it.
I sure did. I was not expecting it, but I'm glad we did it.
All right. So, if you like this, subscribe to my channel.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
I'm in the doghouse.